for any loan deferment, yes, we all are aware by June, it's a MM4 monetary measure 4 expires in the June. And many of the associations and members are concerned. And we heard only from the few of the association, however, the secretary has written to them, what should we do now? What is the way forward? Because we cannot keep on deferring also. Same time, if you see the situation of the private sector, they are also in pathetic, like many of the hotels, hotels, most concerning is hotels. That anibel the ngachi hotole, that Junda Chikalu, Tachi, Tachimapa Tash Governor the Jaila. I met him for that Japchor. Drug tank Japchor is coming up new initiative by the government Moiski under employment. So informally I asked Dasho, I said, Dasho, deferment, I have to come and see you, I have to knock your door. Then Charles Jacobus of the Dasho was suggesting, now you should go to the bank and negotiate with the bank. Looks like the government may not blanket defer the maybe nimela. It depends on specific sectors la. Loan gi and is the TD benizum chitashugi teve informal way sunde. Tele the ngachi hotele bureau anevin la ro. As long as RMA allows the private sector to directly negotiate with the banks, I said that is okay again. It depends, some are really high la, that Lalidi Mapalera, where the situation doesn't permit also. We have to understand the bank situation also. So Anita Majamaba, we are waiting actually some feedbacks from the association. Tatu Mahila, Yugo Taila. The Pura Mahivachin, my research people are already into work. We will go and talk to the governor, if necessary, then to the finance and prime minister. That defer the bego, but maybe some strategic how many of the sector can be covered at high risk. Be mirati roge atiti lakataun se normal angagide. Tiradi defer maybe say like we have in forest and forestry and logging nalo. It's almost 16 billion la. The Anzumbe sector lalinalo high ani NPL dobala ani disura di nimetu bon se. The minimum is transport loan la 878 million. Hotel and tourism is about 13 billion la. 13. These are the correct figure la. If you want to note it, is a 13 figure. Housing sector is about 8 billion la. The contractor's loan is about 3 billion. Mining and quarrying is about 968 million. So anisum status this would the sector taira that Jungi Hutule the RMG they may consider us based on this we will also apprise the RMA and government la. The top madimidi top detato zona aslap that as a nodal agency for private sector Loktima Ruge that BCCI the so we will be aligning to the current status of the bank outstanding the TDV Machagi appraise bill that again the decisions again lies with the government. But look like with the bank individual account holders and the bank they may consider that but that approval will be given by the RMA. The Tatungacha Majojin RMA approval means that they will not negotiate with you. Or sometimes the bank may say you may have to add additional collateral. We will differ. Maybe some conditions also may come up from the banks.